Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Apriana. I'm from Information System 3 class. Now I want to tell about a country that is Egypt. Okay, just go ahead. My Egypt. When they heard the name Egypt, everyone immediately remember of the Nile River, the pyramids, and Cairo's Al-Azhar University. Well, that is all uniqueness Egypt. There are about 100 pyramids in the country which have become its own icons for Egypt. Egypt is a special country. There are always interesting things when we talk about this pyramid country, starting from the pyramid, tourist attraction, and education. Egyptian history. The Egyptians built one of the most extraordinary civilizations of ancient times. The civilization lasted for 3,000 years or 3,200 to 340 before Christ. Egypt became one of the earliest places inhabited by humans, some 40,000 years ago. At first, there were not that many people in Egypt, but over time, Egypt became denser, so a unified government was needed. For a time, there were two kingdoms, called Upper Egypt to the south and Lower Egypt to the north. Around 3000 before Christ, the kings of Upper Egypt conquered the kings of Lower Egypt and made Egypt into a single kingdom called Egypt. The leader of this kingdom was a leader called Pharaoh. Pharaoh wielded immense power. The Egyptians considered the Pharaoh to be the god of Horus on earth. The Egyptians began build pyramids as top for pharaohs. Then in 2200 before Christ, Egypt split into many smaller kingdoms. In 2040 before Christ, the pharaohs succeeded in crowning Egypt. Finally, around 660 before Christ, the Umayyad troops who invaded Egypt succeeded in conquering this region and making Egypt part of the Islamic Caliphate representing Roman rule in Egypt. Egyptian politics. Egypt is the official name of the Arab Republic of Egypt. This country has been in the form of a republic since the 18th of June 1953 and its capital is Cairo. Muhammad Hosni Mubarak has served as president of Egypt for 5 terms since the 14th of October 1981. Power in Egypt is governed by a multi-party semi-presidential system. Theoretical executive power is divided between the president and prime minister, but in practice power is concentrated on the president, who has been elected in election with a single candidate. Egypt also held multi-party parliamentary elections. At the end of February 2005, President Mubarak announced change to the rule of the presidential election leading to multi-candidate elections. For the first time since 1952, the Egyptian people and the opportunity to elect a leader from a list of various candidates. On the 3rd of June 2014, the Egyptian Election Commission announced that former Egyptian General Abdel Fattah al-Sisi was elected president after winning the Egyptian elections in May 2014. Egyptian geography. Egypt is a country that is mostly located in northeastern Africa. Egypt is classified as a developed country in Africa. Egypt is the 30th largest country in the world, with an area of about 1,001,450 square kilometers. Egypt covers the Sinai Peninsula, considered part of Southwest Asia, while most of its territory is located in North Africa. Egypt is bordered by Libya to the west, Sudan to the south, the Gaza Strait, and Israel to the northeast. It is bordered with the water is through the Mediterranean Sea to the north and the Red Sea to the east. Most of the land is part of the Sahara Desert, which is rarely inhabited. Population condition. Egypt is the most populous Arab country in the world with around 95 million people. Due to its extreme and arid climate, most of the population is concentrated along the narrow Nile Valley and the Nile River Delta. The majority of Egypt's population addressed to Islam, while the rest are Coptic Christians. The Egyptians have a unique character. For people who live in hot areas and rarely rain, it is only natural for them to be temperamental, emotional, angry, and have a high tone of voice. For example, when they fight, they just argued. Their hands and feet were silent, and strangely again after the argument is over, as if the argument had never happened, there is silence again as before. The most interesting thing about Egyptians is their hobby of giving. It seems that the Egyptian people are number one in the world. People who are constantly praying and praying at all times. Their character is temperamental, but there are good values that cover their shortcomings. Ramadan is the time when the result of Prophet Musa comes out, where everyone is competent to give food to people who are fasting. Egyptian economy. Egypt's economy is heavily dependent on agriculture, media, petroleum export, natural gas export, and tourism. And there are also more than 3 million Egyptians working abroad, mainly in Saudi Arabia, the Persian Gulf, and Europe. The completion of the Aswan High Dam in 1970 and the Sultan Lake Nasser have produced the all-time record place of the Nile in the agriculture and ecology of the Egyptian state. A rapidly growing population, limited agricultural land, and all dependence on the Nile continue to strain research and stress the economy. Livelihoods in Egypt is varied. There are those who work as teachers, traders, employees in office, etc. Egyptian education. Egypt is an amazing source of knowledge. Egypt is also called the city of science. The modern education system began to enter Egypt during the reign of Muhammad Ali Pasha. He was an illiterate man, but he understood the importance of education and science for the progress of a country. To assist him in developing education and science, he founded the Minister of Education. First, he founded a military school, then founded a technical school and medical school, and his teachers were brought in from the West. In addition, he also sent his students to study in Europe to study various kinds of science and technology that developed there. The schools that were later built were a medicine school or pharmacy, a mining school, an agricultural school, and a translation school. Egypt is the country that first established a university, namely Al-Azhar University, the oldest university in the world. Students from Indonesia are interested in Al-Azhar University in Cairo. A number of great figures were born from this university, whether it is scholars, ministers, presidents, writers, medical experts, and astronomy. If you want to study in abroad, I would suggest you to study in Cairo's Al-Azhar University. Egyptian natural beauty. Egypt is famous for its ancient civilization and some of the greatest ancient monuments in the world, such as the Pyramid of Giza at Giza, the Sphinx Giza, the Red Pyramid, and the Temple of Ramses. The pyramid is an iconic building synonymous with Egypt. One of the most famous is the Pyramid of Giza. The number one tourist destination in Egypt, the pyramid is reportedly designing changes in governance and facilities. What change will be made to the Pyramid of Giza? Reporting from the new planet near the 4,500 years old Giza Pyramid, it plans to open new cafes, restaurants, lounges, and tourism center to make it more tourist friendly. Although this site is easily accessible to tourists, the Pyramid of Giza do not always look like a luxurious place to relax in the middle of the desert. However, with the new launch, later the Pyramid of Giza will look like a pleasant place to relax and refresh after being satisfied with seeing the wonder of the world. In addition, the Grand Egyptian Museum will also open near the pyramid. There are about 60,000 artifacts will be on display at the museum. As well as this museum will include treasures that have not been exhibited before. The Grand Egypt Museum will be the largest museum in the world. For you antiques lover, you should come to this museum to enjoy a collection of Egyptian antiques that will give you the experience of traveling to various places in the past and increasing knowledge about Egyptian history. There are also several Egyptian natural attractions that are very interesting to visit, which will provide a wonderful experience throughout life. You had better visit Egypt as a vacation spot at the end of the year to enjoy the beauty of the tour, such as Siwa Oasis, the natural springs in Egypt known as Cleopatra's Bath, and the beautiful Fatness Island, which also has some very soothing natural springs, as well as protected areas that surround the highest mountain in Egypt, Mount Catherine, known as Saint Catherine National Park. And Egypt's most talked about natural attraction is the world-famous Nile River, which is known as the longest river in the world. The Nile River is one of the most iconic natural water sources in the world. Those are some of the conversation of this Egyptian state, a country filled with pomp, luxury, and greatness. Okay, that's all from me, and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.